Were there guys on your team who would like work it up a little before they came into the shower?
I don't even know any of those guys.
Guys who would like
maybe pull on it before. Yeah.
Get what are you talking about? You know,
I do that before the doctor.
Yeah, dude.
Do you really?
I watch porn in the lobby.
Yeah, hell yeah. You can't present your boy. You can't show your boys a small dick.
So you
I would sometimes accidentally go too hard. And
that's it. That's it. You got it's a thin line. You're like, oh, calm down. You know.
True.
It's distressing.
Now you can't be too hard for your boys.
No.
But
you certainly can't be soft.
True.
If you're showing your boys your penis, you definitely have a semi.
Have some respect for them. You know?